Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. But to know, say no, me have to big up my good up subscribers them. So today, I'm going to give a shout out to user my 7FD6DJ7Q and user KP4PR9E99R and also John Allen and Kalila Johnson. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. My people, if you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Write I subscribe in the comment section and watch my video for more than 5 minutes and you will definitely get a shout out. Anyway, you no need to hear this. A truck driver was killed on Tuesday after his vehicle overturned along the McCook's Pen Main Road in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. About 12:45 p.m., he was driving from the direction of Spanish Town when he lost control of the truck and it swerved off the road. The driver was discovered among the marl and rubble that was being transported in the truck at the time of the incident. I just want to say rest in peace to this gentleman and my condolence goes out to the family. With due respect. Anyway, my people, you need to hear this. Men charged with making bomb threat remanded in custody. The man accused of making a bomb threat at the Spanish Town Hospital and St. Catherine Parish Court last Friday has been remanded in custody. The man, Michael Glenford, was denied bail when he appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday. Glenford, who's the owner of a wholesale and liquor store, is charged with creating public mischief. So my viewers and subscribers, yeah, tell me say Glenford, we own a wholesale and a liquor store, really do that? So I wonder why you would do such thing like that. And that me want to know. My people, boy, me not even know what I'm going to tell you God Almighty truth. This bomb threat business, I don't understand it. I just don't understand it at all. But you tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, my people, you hear this? Despite the backlash she has received because of her unsanitary practices, popular crab vendor Alice Waugh said she will be returning to Crab Circle when it reopens next Thursday. So, my people, I want to know how Alice I go back there so after everything will happen. That's a number one. Number two, Alice, she never go for no training, you know. She said she can't cook and she do not need any certificate. So me want to know how Alice, I go out there. So, Alice, mind the talk where you talk, you know. Because it come like you turn Andrew Wellness pan way. You like talk the talk, but can't walk the walk. You hear you? But next Thursday, you go out of Crab Circle. My people, you don't listen to Alice, because I can't believe, say, I saw the star have out Alice. You know, so them a troublemaker? I don't know why they ain't gonna dig up Alice about this now. You tell me what you think. Anyway, you need to hear this.
I want to say, first of all, thanks to each and every one who has been with us on this journey today. From Alman Town Division to Ray Town Division. It's been a lot of walking and a lot of meeting and greeting, but I'm glad that the PNP energy has been turned up in Central Kingston. This constituency is very important to the People's National Party. It's a constituency that we have enjoyed power in for many, many years. And in 2020, we know what happened. And we have to make sure that we put an end to that, because we need it back in the column of the People's National Party. I want to thank Councillor Charmaine Daniels. I want to thank Dean, who has been stepped forward for the Ray Town Division, Comrade Dean. And I want to thank Comrade Lawrence Rowe, the candidate for Central Kingston, for organizing.
The people are looking to the People's National Party to deliver the change they need. A government of integrity that looks after the interests of the people. A strong economy, a well-managed economy, a government that the people can trust and have confidence in. That is the tradition of the Jamaica PNP, from Daddy Manley to Norman Manley to PJ Pattison to Portia Simpson Miller to Peter Phillips and to I, Mark Jefferson Golding. Comrades, the wave of the People's National Party is washing over the land, and it is in reversible wave because it is powered by the people. Wanna hear that, my people? So wanna need to come out. You understand? Come out and show support to Mark Golding. Show support to Mark Golding, because right now we have to get Andrew Holness out. We have to get Andrew Holness out because Andrew Holness is dishonest. That's a number one. Him not transparent, none at all. That's a number two. And right now, the whole of them in a panic mode. A panic. This is why them in a parliament are hide things. You understand? I don't want to share information because I don't know outcomes. Or if you have a House of Parliament, and you don't want to share information. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense, you know. So, my people, this is the time that we have to come out. And I love the support where Mark Golding get. Because, listen, we want the betterment for Jamaica. We want best for Jamaica. We want better for Jamaica. You understand? We have to think for the future for our children. And that we have to do. We have to think for the future ahead. We can't just think about now. No found to just sit down and relax and not care what the hell happen. We have to think about the future of the kids. You understand? And we want Jamaica to be a better place and to be a better country. We don't want people outside and look upon we as a corrupted country, as a dishonest country. Because me tell you already, if you don't go upon Google, and that Google say, then look upon we as a corrupted country. You understand? So we can change all of this. Change all of it. This is what we have to do. Change all of that by voting out Andrew Holness. Because time come right now. Because Andrew Holness now do nothing right. Nothing be a chatting chat. He now do nothing right. People, we have to get rid of Andrew Holness. We have to vote out Andrew Holness. He don't care about us. He don't care about us, the people. It's full time now. Uno up in uno kulu eye and see what this man is doing. Not only him, but his wife. And his wife right now is the Madam Speaker, as you all know. And we need her to step down. I'm sure no one says she's not going to step down. So we have to go out and protest for remove this lady, because right now, opposition now going to know nothing what go on. Any changes or legislation and opposition now go know nothing until then just go see it appear. Just like we see it appear, and so opposition are go see it appear. Opposition now go know what happened, because Juliet Holness are going to make sure that she block everything, and it is not right. This is what she's doing right now, and I don't know. Governor General, where you there? Come in and understand. Me not understand. Member say you are the head, then the senator, then Juliet Holness. So if Juliet Holness is not doing something that is right, you should have intervened. What really are going? But me not even say the senator for intervene, because the other day the senator come out and say how in with Andrew Holness 100%. You understand? And in support Juliet Holness. So what can I really say? There's not much to say more than the power is in the hand of the people. We have the power in our hands. We have to come out and vote out these people. And by doing so, we have to protest. We have to protest and vote and support the other party. Really and truly, I do not like what is happening in the country. Me tell you already, me and a PNP, me and a JLP. You understand? I'm going to need to come and explain. I'm not obligated to nobody who are coming at the comment section and I run off their mouth. I'm not obligated to know. I talk facts. I'm not a PNP. I'm not a GLP. But the way how I see this thing is going, Andrew Holness have to leave now. He have to go. We have to let Andrew Holness step down. He have to resign. So we have to vote out Andrew Holness. Come on, people. You have some people say, PNP have it for 18 years and not do this and do not and not do that. But me sure know say if PNP really and truly was doing something that bad, they won't have it for 18 years. Una look into it now. Look out and look eye. If PNP did that do something so bad, like how you say Andrew Holness now, dishonest, right now, and I'll be transparent. If PNP was doing so bad, they wouldn't have it for 18 years. I'm not talk with water in my mouth. You see how right now everybody are leak out because Andrew Holness is not doing good, my people. And we as Jamaica needs to unite and come together as one and vote this man out. We have to vote this man out. You understand? This man look like he's hiding a lot of things from us. To me, it look like. You understand? And it is not right, my people. We want a transparent government. We want an honest government. That's what we want. A people we can relate with we and don't come out and lie to we. You understand? We don't want that. So, guys, just like up the video for me, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. A big warm welcome to everybody. We are like up my video, share out my video, and not subscribe. But guess what I want to know for do? I want to know for turn on a post notification bell on. So when we drop the video, them, I get them straight away, my people, all right? Big up on a nice, clean self. I'm out.